Namaste, welcome to Lotus Yoga. So today I am teaching how you become slim. This position you can see how your waist region, or we can say upper hip level, or some core muscles and some back muscles. This part specific practice very beneficial if you keep repeating this practice. I am teaching you maximum 5 to 8 yoga practice. You just keep repeating the practice at least 30 to 40 minutes weekly, 5 to 6 days. That's all, minimum 5 days. If you keep repeating, after 15 days you see the changes. Must be regular and must be punctual. If you have to do something, you have to properly punctuality to for your practice. It's not like that you just watch a video for a while, you did practice for a while and you expect too much for improving yourself for your waist region. This is very easily can become fat, very easily can become slim. This is the most important and most the trigger, we can say. Very soon can become slim also. So very specific practice for this part. You can see how slim my part here and how here the ribs coming out. You can see the ribs also if I remove my t-shirt, because there is no extra things here. So this body become more slim, this part here also, back also, front also. When you stand relaxedly, you can see maybe bit for my also, but I never feel something because of my regular practice. I hope you enjoy this session. You can stand comfortably. See, there is two things. When we do with both hands lateral bend, focus coming our ribs, shoulders and upper back. When we do one hand, focus coming our one side, it means lower, not upper. Example, if you doing this one hand here feeling very pinch, like a something extra. Here we feel too much stretch. This is the difference between when we do both hands, when we do one hand. Suppose first I will show you both hands. See, now my focus on my ribs, upper back. See, here stretching. Here is not much because of the hands giving us more strength here. Same this position also. See, this position I will show you one side. See, now I feel right my waist, left my waist pinching here, something pressure coming here. This position. Remember, don't give up yourself very soon. You have to hold longer, you have to maintain, you have to concentrate, you have to enjoy what's happening in your body. It's not like that you just 5 seconds hold, then again change. No, I'll show you the holding both postures. First you see, remember, both feet together is, it means you are a bit regular practitioner and you have proper balance, then only can. Otherwise, you can open up to your hip distance. See, first I'll show you both hands. Inhale, stretch up, exhale, right. See, this is my starting. Now you can see how I am improving, how it will go more deeper. See, now my stretching starts. See, enjoy it, hold on, maintain. See, now stretching start. Upper back. Now bit lower also come, but mostly is upper. It's ribs. See, here. Hold on, maintain. See, no troubling, no struggling. Enjoy it. See, I am telling you, the benefit for holding start in after 15 to 20 seconds. Then only the things converted to the yoga postures. Sthiram Sukham Asana, Sanskrit Patanjali Yoga Sutra. This is for Sthiram means you have to stable. Sukham means you get some happiness. Then you reach the posture. If the two things is not there, it's difficult to reach. So stability is important. Then I'll show you opposite one hand. One hand here, stretch out. Very gentle, very gentle. Hold, maintain, Keep holding, keep holding, keep bending. Hold longer. Enjoy it. Pinching here, stretching here. Enjoy properly with balance, with patience, with awareness, with concentrate, with enjoy, with everything merged together. Then you hold the posture. If you are going right, left, bit forward, backward, you try or maintain and adjust yourself properly. Adjustment always give you more comfortable for holding the posture. See, now I am almost 15 to 20 seconds. Now my stretch is start already in my right waist. See, it's amazing effect. It's amazing happiness really. When you do it, see, now I am feeling something, my translation happening on my waist region. See, very nice. Gently come back. I never feel come back, right? I feel hold longer, maintain there. Why? Because of when you reached one advanced level, either you reached one practitioner level. Advanced and practitioner is different. Practitioners means we have more habit to do practice. Advanced means we already achieved that habit, now we reached advanced level. This is the process. Next practice. This is stretching. Any variations, 3 variations standing, this position, this position, this position, standing 3 variations, lateral bend for this, only enough. Hold 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 5 rounds left, 5 rounds right, 10 rounds, 3 variations. How much become? 30. How much time take? At least 8 to 10 minutes. Holding longer, I'm again repeating you, patience is virtue. If you don't have patience to holding the postures, if you don't have patience to get the benefit and learn that, very difficult. One practice 8 to 10 minutes can do this practice. Next one, keep properly hands. Now backward, this position. Because the core muscle stretching here, I can show you the side view. Here, the core muscle stretching here, you have keep proper sport. Proper sport person only can hold longer. See, I am very comfortable. Reason is, I keep my palm properly, comfortably here to pull up this internal stretch. Internal pulling this, external already have. Internal you do something like this, internal this position. Must practice, then you can understand how to do. One practitioner only can understand the deep benefit and deep understanding the postures. See, I'll show you one more time. You can hold as longer as, see, I'm shutting my abdominal muscles inside. Very good. Perfect. See, holding longer, comfortably. If you're more comfortable, release it. Otherwise, hold it. It's up to you. Second practice, maximum backward, maximum forward. I'll show you the forward also. This position. As much as you're comfortable. Forward maximum bend. Bend fully. Stretch more. It's up to you. You can catch hold. Ankles. Feel the nice stretching in your hamstring muscles as well as spine. So this is second practice. Next I'll show you for third practice. Standing only third, very beneficial. That is my signature pose also. Twisting one. I'll show you. Stand comfortably. Third practice, standing position for your waist region. Remember, this is the third posture. Standing, both sides variation. According to your comfortable you perform, I'll show you the all types of variations, all types of stages, beginner to advanced. Stand comfortable, bending forward. This position. First you warm up yourself as I see, left, right. This position. My full focus coming here, this position. See, when I am going right, left, I feel something pinch here. because doesn't matter how much slim you are, still some fat is naturally here. See, I feel something. See, this one is as a warm up for the twist. See, then you go down. First we perform in left side, right hand catch hold left ankle. Here, this position properly. First variation everyone can do. Here going forward, here this hand twisting, this one. I hope, otherwise you keep hand here, keep hand more twist. See, you can see my twisting. See. Remember, this thing removing, making more slim, not only lateral bend. You have to twist, you have to stretch, you have to bend. All things combination only can solve this problem. Either this whatever extra, it's not like that you just lateral bend. No, twisting also, you can see my twisting now again. Holding here this position properly, this hand up, twist. This much also can, see the nice twisting. See. Now you hold here. Now I'll bring you to some deep level. See, very gentle. You can see how the twisting, very beneficial to improving, make you slim. See, very proper lock. See, it's up to you how much you can. See this position. Perfectly, holdly, maintain. See. Then same opposite side. First you can maintain for a while, then opposite. Must be equal both sides. Some person can do one side comfortably, one side very difficult. Either one side cannot able to do also. See, this is, now I am getting this very nice stretch. It's not like that slim and flexible person only reached here. If you know the trick, if you are under some good guidance teacher, you can do it. No problem for that. It depends on your practice. Now, I am teaching you sitting practice only on 2 practice. 3 standing we complete, 2 sitting we are doing. First practice, bend knee here. Push as much as possible, lower back front. Then you keep your right leg on your left leg, this position. Interlock, if not possible, just keep it. Hands this position. This practice can do 3 variations, but practice is same. This is 4th practice, remember. This is the sequence for practice today. Interlock, turn left, right. This position. See, only focus waist region. See, and 10 rounds one side. 10 rounds again one side. Changing leg also. Now is my right leg up, then you can change leg also. This position also can. Practice is same, variations and according to your comfortable thing only. See. Three variations I teach you. One this, second this, third this. 10 rounds at least. Then you change leg also. Cross interlock. If interlock, you know, anything lock and grab, more comfortable. Like if you're binding the posters, if lock, more comfortable. Same here also. If you lock this, more comfortable. Otherwise, you do this much also. See, see, see. Still focus coming waist. You can see here. Full stretching is here. See. Same 3 variations. This position and lie down position also. Next, 5th practice. I hope you following the sequence. 30 to 40 minutes. Perform this practice 15 days. I am sure you will reduce 4 to 5 kg weight under 1 month. Under 1 month, 4 to 5 kg. If you follow the sequence, only yoga practice. Diet things, if you take proper, and some diet plan, you will get more 6 to 8 kg 1 month. You feel is unexpected, right? No, it is true. I have these types of data in my research in yoga practices, but it's depend on how long you practice these things. Next, remember, fifth and last exercise. Same. This leg can, this here can, or you can maybe open can. Open, together, bend. 3 variations. First variation, just going right. See here. Twisting more. See. Focus again waist raising. Change, leg can straight. Together. Three variations. 1, 2, 3. 10 rounds. Total how much? 60. 60 plus 60 is 1. Then 60 plus 120 rounds this. Can you imagine? If you 120 rounds perform this practice for twisting, how result will not come? Result is there. Result just waiting how effort you are doing. Result waiting how surrender towards that. Result waiting how dedicate to that. Result waiting how much perform you that. Result waiting these things, but you waiting only result. Very difficult. Gentle practice make you perfect. I hope you understand. If still you have any question, anything I can help you, you can comment us or you can mail us, you can contact to Lotus Yoga Singapore. Still you have any question, you can contact. Thank you for watching today Slim Yoga Practice. Namaste.